Greetings, everyone. We're thrilled to unveil our latest guide to the finest mobility scooters of the year. Mobility scooters are invaluable for those facing mobility challenges, offering newfound freedom and independence. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, enjoying outdoor adventures, or moving around at home, the right scooter can greatly improve your quality of life. Choosing the right mobility scooter involves assessing key factors like maneuverability, battery life, comfort, and adaptability to different terrains. Your ideal scooter will vary based on personal needs and lifestyle, whether you're a senior aiming to remain active or someone seeking dependable transportation. Our guide provides a detailed breakdown of each scooter's features, benefits, and potential downsides to help you make an informed choice. As always, you can find all the product links mentioned in this video, provided right in the video description and in the pinned comment down below. Let's start with the best budget option, Vive 3-Wheel. This compact and lightweight scooter excels in both indoor and outdoor settings, with an emphasis on portability and convenience. Its quick connect battery pack and easy disassembly make it perfect for frequent transport, whether you're heading out in a car or traveling by air. The Vive 3-Wheel delivers reliable performance with a focus on user ease. It features a padded seat and intuitive controls for comfort and stability, offering a practical and travel-friendly solution without compromising functionality. Next up, the best overall, Pride GoGo Elite Traveler 4-Wheel, a top choice for those seeking a versatile and dependable scooter. This model stands out for its maneuverability and stability, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its compact 4-wheel design ensures smooth navigation through tight spaces and crowded areas. The Pride GoGo Elite Traveler 4-wheel offers a comfortable ride with ample legroom and easy-to-adjust controls. Its lightweight design and essential features make it a solid option for users valuing both practicality and performance. Turning to the best for long-distance travel, Merit's Health S341 Pioneer 10DLX Bariatric. Known for its durability and robust performance, this scooter handles various terrains effortlessly. Its sturdy construction ensures excellent stability, ideal for outdoor adventures and uneven surfaces. This scooter features a simple disassembly process for easy transport and storage, coupled with a comfortable seat and user-friendly controls. Whether you're exploring parks or running errands, the Merit's Health S341 Pioneer 10DLX delivers dependable performance and comfort. Moving on to compact storage, Triax Cruise Foldable Scooter shines for its impressive portability and ease of storage. Designed for comfort and durability, it features a padded seat and adjustable armrests for a custom fit. The foldable design of the Triax Cruise offers a smooth ride across various terrains, enhancing stability and control. Its compact size is perfect for long distances without worrying about storage space, making it a great choice for daily use and extended trips. Highlighting the best for comfort, Golden Technologies Buzzaround LX 3-wheel scooter, celebrated for its exceptional comfort and ease of use. Capable of traveling up to 18 miles on a single charge and reaching speeds of up to 5 miles per hour, it combines performance with efficiency. The Buzzaround LX boasts a luxurious seat and generous built-in storage, ideal for longer journeys. Its advanced design and high-speed capabilities make it suitable for those who need a powerful and reliable mobility solution. Lastly, focusing on all-weather performance, Scooter S4 All-Terrain Mobility Scooter 4-Wheel takes our spotlight for its all-weather capability and robust performance. Designed to handle a high weight capacity and provide a comfortable ride, it's perfect for varied surfaces. The 4-wheel design of the Scooter S4 ensures stability and balance, with easy disassembly for transport and storage. This model combines practicality with exceptional performance, making it ideal for users needing a heavy-duty scooter that doesn't compromise on comfort. That concludes our detailed guide to the top mobility scooters of the year. We hope this overview helps you find the ideal scooter to enhance your mobility and independence. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for watching. You can learn more about these excellent products by following the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.